Hey y'all, welcome back to 4D Farms. I'm Tracy, I'm the keeper of the home here, and y'all, it's getting springtime. We are getting the garden ready, or he is. I love the smell of fresh tilled dirt, and I love my sunshine. He got the rest of the garden done today, but we had one little spot there where we're gonna rotate crops this year. And we had to move some T-posts and some panels because we're rotating this year. Over there's where we had the tomatoes the last time we had a garden. And now he's getting up that spot for me and the garden will be ready. He tilled our youngest son's garden for him today. He thinks he wants to try to have him one. So Dad went over there and tilled it and disked his garden up for him. So we'll see how this year goes. I might be able to take you through the process with me. We're not gonna plant as much and go as big as what we normally do. We're only going to grow what we're kind of getting low of, and maybe a few things that we see that we just might want to try. So it's mostly just gonna be green beans, corn, okra, squash, zucchini. Yeah, that's it this year. And a few pepper plants. We need to replenish our peppers. And some sunflowers and wildflowers out here, y'all. We're losing daylight. We're burning daylight, as John Wayne would say. And we have added a new cow to the farm. Our son has. He bought him a cow. She's around here somewhere. Y'all, we're losing daylight hours. Y'all just stay tuned on our channel. We've got plenty of videos to come. And we're gonna finish playing out here before the sun sets all the way. Look at that. Y'all just stay tuned. We've got plenty of videos coming and gardening season. And I'm gonna have lots of help in the garden because, whoo, this OG mom's getting to the point where she just can't do a whole lot by herself anymore. So I have plenty of help. So yeah, this is what it's gonna, all of this is not gonna be planning. We're just getting it all disked up because it's been a while. Y'all stay tuned.